before you lock into another year of your current accounting software. Or worse, start your business without a solid way to track finances. You need to know what Xero is doing in 2026. Over the past year, I've tested a ton of small business platforms and accounting apps, invoicing tools, you name it, so I can give you my absolute best recommendations. And honestly, Xero surprised me in the best way. I actually moved my own real business books from QuickBooks to Xero a few months ago to test it properly and give you a truly honest opinion. There's one feature nobody seems to talk about that completely sold me. I'll reveal it in a minute. Hi everyone, I'm Jana Cooper-Coty, a Xero certified advisor, and I help small business owners get organized, save time on bookkeeping, and actually make more profit. If you're tired of messy finances and want clear, actionable advice, hit subscribe and the bell. I've got you covered. Quick disclosure. I've partnered with Xero for this video because I genuinely use and trust it as a certified advisor. I only recommend tools I'd use with my own clients. And the best part? There's a huge promotion running right now. As of January 2026, new users can get 90% off for the first 6 months. That's massive savings and the perfect way to test it properly. The offer ends January 30th, 2026, so definitely check the link in the description or visit Xero.com to grab the current deal before you sign up anywhere else. Let's start simple. Xero is cloud-based accounting software built specifically for small businesses. Think Main Street shops, freelancers, e-commerce sellers, service pros. It's way more than just accounting software. Yes, you get expense tracking, financial reports, full profit and loss, balance sheet, and true double-entry bookkeeping. Super important for accuracy. It's in every plan. But you also get professional invoicing, bill payment, quotes, cash flow forecasting, inventory, add-on, multi-currency, project tracking, expense claims, and more. Compared to QuickBooks Online, similar core features, but I find Xero's interface cleaner, more modern, and honestly easier to use. Even though I used QuickBooks for years. Pricing is transparent but does add up as you grow. Here's the current plans in USD. Prices can vary slightly by region. Always check Xero.com for your country. Early, usually $25 per month. Limited to 20 invoices/quotes and 5 bills per month. Great for brand new or super low volume businesses. Still includes bank feeds, basic reports, HubDoc receipt capture, sales tax, 1099s. Growing, usually $55 per month. Unlimited invoices and bills, bulk reconciliation, real-time reports, HubDoc, optional inventory plus add-on. This is where most growing small businesses land. Established, usually $95 plus per month, exact varies. Everything above plus multi-currency, advanced project tracking, expense claims, 180-day cash flow forecasting, customizable dashboards, and KPIs. I'm on this one and love it. Payroll is via Gusto integration in some regions. Extra cost. Annual billing saves money. Add-ons like Inventory Plus are optional. With the current 90% off for 6 months promo, early drops to $2.50 per month, growing to $5.50, and established to under $10 per month to start. Incredible time to try the premium features and downgrade later if needed. Standouts in 2026. Automatic bank feeds that actually stay connected, better than my QuickBooks experience. Unlimited users on every plan. Free access for your accountant/bookkeeper. Beautiful mobile app for invoicing, expenses, and quick categorizing on the go. 1,000 plus integrations. Stripe, Shopify, Gusto, Square, HubDoc. Advanced reporting plus tracking categories, like classes in QB, segment by location, department, and so on. Cash flow predictions that alert you to shortfalls before they hit. Multi-currency excellence if you sell internationally. Here's what really blew me away and nobody mentions: customization. Xero lets you completely tailor it to your business. You can drag and drop dashboard widgets, show/hide whatever you check daily, fully customize your chart of accounts, add, rename, renumber exactly how you want, tweak report layouts, brand invoices perfectly. It feels like the software molds to you instead of forcing you to adapt. Huge for getting real profitability insights. Why I love it. Super user-friendly, made for non-accountants but powerful enough for pros. Reliable bank feeds and automation, saves hours monthly. Unlimited users plus seamless advisor access. Excellent reporting and tracking categories. Top-tier mobile app. Massive integration ecosystem. Scales beautifully without switching software later. Higher plans plus add-ons get pricey once you need payroll, inventory, projects. Early plan limits can push you to upgrade fast. Fewer bookkeepers specialize only in Xero versus QuickBooks in some regions, though it's growing fast. Support is mostly chat/email. No phone on lower plans. Perfect if you're Ninest or a service-based business, freelancer, agency, or e-commerce seller. Selling internationally. Multi-currency is best in class. Working with an accountant/bookkeeper. Wanting a clean, modern tool that grows with you. Prioritizing time-saving automation and insights. Skip or start elsewhere. If you have less than 10 transactions per month, try Wave or free options. Heavy inventory needs, QuickBooks might edge out. Cash flow is extremely tight long-term alternatives. QuickBooks Online, more inventory power. FreshBooks, invoicing focused. Zoho Books, cheaper. Wave, free core. After switching my own books and using it daily, yes, Xero is absolutely worth it in 2026 for most serious small business owners. The interface, automation, and customization save me hours every month and give better insights for profitability. I rate it 4.7 out of 5. Minor deductions for cost and support, but it's now my #1 recommendation over QuickBooks for most people. If you're ready for professional, scalable bookkeeping, grab the 90% off deal while it lasts and try it risk-free. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and comment. Are you thinking of switching to Xero? Already using it? Love it? Or any pain points? Check the link in the description or Xero.com for the current promotion. If you're worried about migrating, I've got another video walking through how to switch to Xero fast. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.